What's going on, everyone? Corey from Yota Xpedition here. We have the 4th gen Tacoma in the shop, and in this video we're going to be installing Meso Customs lighting. So when it comes to interior mods on the Tacoma, Meso Customs lighting is a huge modification. So in this video we have some map lights, we have a dome light, and we also have some courtesy lights. And if you want to grab some of these, they go quick. So make sure to head over to yotaxpedition.com. Our link is down in the description, and grab yours before they're gone. So we're up front here in the Tacoma, and we're going to be starting with the map lights. So we need to pull down this whole piece here. We're going to put our fingers underneath the front and pull down. And then there are 2 plastic pieces here. You have to pull this forward to get those out. And we can take our finger and unplug the harness. So with this out, let's head over to the bench. We'll get this thing disassembled and we'll get the new lights in. So we have the piece here from the Tacoma. The first thing we need to remove is this trim piece that goes around the outside. So flipping this thing over from the back side, you can see there is a number of clips around the outside. We're going to use a small flathead screwdriver to get all of those out. It might take a little bit. You might have to go around a couple times to get it completely removed. So with that main trim off, we now need to remove this piece right here. So again, with the flathead screwdriver, we're just going to go around the perimeter of this, and pop this up. And then you also have 2 clips in here. Go ahead and pop both of those out. Set this off to the side. We got to pop both of these off. So put the flathead under there. Take these out. And right here we have 2 Torx screws. So you're going to need a T20 Torx bit and a ratchet, or a screwdriver that is a T20 Torx. And we'll get those removed. Now we can remove this whole piece here. Again, using our small flathead screwdriver, we'll work around the perimeter and pull this up. There we go. So we have this thing apart as far as we need to. Now we need to drill some holes. So right here and right here, we're going to be drilling a 5/16 hole. Also, we're going to drill a hole right here and right here. So we have our drill with a 5/16 bit. We're going to go ahead and get these drilled out, and this is going to allow the new wire to pass through. So we got those holes drilled out. I just want to note on the back side, there is nothing there, so you don't have to worry about it. And same with this piece on the back side of this, there is nothing there where we drill the holes. And if you ever want to go back to stock, you can cover all this stuff up. You're not going to see these holes. It'll look perfectly fine. So with those holes drilled out, let's go ahead and start installing the new Meso lights. So we got the new lights here. Go ahead and open this up. We got 2 lights, and then we also have the jumper harness. So we'll get the plug fed through that hole that we just drilled, line up the light, and snap it in place. Same thing on this side. Now we're going to take those wires and we're going to feed them down through the other holes that we drilled. And that one. Then we'll snap this back into place. There we go. We can go ahead and reinstall our 2 screws. Put that back in if it fell out. Now we can take this piece, we'll drop that back in, snap that in, and we can take our trim ring, get that back in place. Snap all of those clips in. So this is back together. We can go ahead and flip this thing over. You can see we have our 2 plugs right here. And right here we have the jumper harness. So we're going to take this end, we're going to plug it into the factory plug here on the side. Now we have our 2 plugs here. So you can see we have a long plug and a short plug. Just line those up. The short one's going to go right here. Long one's going to go over to here. And we're ready to get this back into the Tacoma. Back in the Tacoma, we'll take the factory plug here, we'll plug it into the new harness from Meso Customs. As you can see, our lights are already on. We're going to take these 2 plastic tabs, we're going to tuck those up into the headliner, and then we'll snap the front end. There we go. So that's in. This works just as OEM does. You can turn them on and off. You can set it to door if you would like. You have the button on the light itself, and that's going to be to change it from white to red. So with the map lights being finished, let's go ahead and jump in the back of the Tacoma. We'll get the dome light done. In the back seat, we got the dome light here on the Tacoma. We're going to go ahead and take this out. We have a small flathead screwdriver. There's 2 spots on here that you can see. You can fit the screwdriver in, and this will allow you to pop the lens out. Once the lens is removed, you're going to find 2 tabs, 1 on each side. You're going to pull those towards each other, towards the middle of the truck, and this will allow you to get this removed. Might have to wiggle it back and forth a little bit. And now we'll go ahead and unplug the harness here. So we got the dome light out. Let's head over to our workbench and get it swapped out for the Meso one. Back over at the bench, we have our dome light, and we need to dissect this a little bit so that we can get the new Meso light installed in here. So the button itself, we need to take that off, just pull it right off. Now taking a flathead screwdriver, we need to remove this piece here. So there is a number of clips. You can kind of see the holes right here where those clips are. So using the flathead screwdriver, we'll work our way around and we'll get this removed. There we go, got that removed. Now we can grab our new Meso light. We'll get this opened up. We got the harness for it. As you can see, the Meso light does have 2 buttons on it. One is just your on-off button, and then the other one is to change it from white to red. So we're going to take the harness and we're going to put that through this hole right here. We have the small plug here, and we're going to get that plugged into the backside of the Meso light. All right, we got that plugged in. Now we'll go ahead, get the light in place, and snap it in. So that's ready to go back into the Tacoma. All right, we're back in the Tacoma. We have our new light. We're going to plug that into our factory plug here. As you can see, the light is on. Go ahead and kick that off. So we'll just line this up and snap it in place. Just like that. Now we have our button that turns the light on and off, and we have the button that changes it from white to red. All right, so we got the map lights and the dome light finished up on the Tacoma. The next thing to do is the courtesy lights, but we actually already have those installed on the Tacoma, but the installation of those is really simple. So you're going to use a trim prying tool or a small flathead screwdriver, and you're going to pop the factory one out from the door panel. Then you're just going to simply unplug this, plug in the new one from Meso Customs, and snap it back in place. It's as simple as that. So we got the courtesy lights installed, which is pretty easy. Now I do want to mention that the courtesy lights from Meso Customs only comes in a pack of 4, and the 4th gen Tacoma only has 2 courtesy lights, the ones on the front doors. So if you have a buddy that has a Tacoma, maybe you guys can split it, but they only come in a pack of 4. All right guys, that's gonna be a wrap for the Meso custom lights on the 4th generation Tacoma. We showed you how to do the dome light, the map lights, and also the courtesy lights, improving the interior lighting on this thing a bunch. If you guys have any questions, drop a comment down below. If you want any of these Meso lights, make sure to head over to YotaXpedition.com. Our link is down in the description. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys in the next one.